Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Data Recovery Advisor. Is your Outlook inbox becoming difficult to manage due to a high volume of emails? In today's session, I'll guide you through effective strategies to take full control of your Outlook mailbox, step by step helping you to organize Outlook inbox, folders, and emails. Before diving into Outlook's organizing tools, let's set the foundation with one powerful email routine. That is to stop checking your inbox all day long. Instead, pick two fixed times, once in the morning and once in the evening to review and respond to emails. This approach enhances focus and significantly reduces stress. Now, let's get started with tips and tricks to organize your Outlook efficiently. When all your emails sit in one inbox, it gets tricky to know which ones need action, which ones are already replied to, and which should be read later. That's why we'll start by creating folders based on action. To respond, for emails that need your reply but may require some time or work before responding. Waiting for reply. For conversations where you are expecting a response. Read later. For newsletters, updates, and non-urgent emails. Important tip: don't overdo it. Stick to just a few essential folders. If you create too many, you'll spend more time sorting than doing. The goal is clarity, not chaos. Outlook provides some default folders like Inbox, Sent, Archive, etc. that cannot be deleted, but you can customize them. Create subfolders under them. Change folder colors for easy identification. Reorder folders to match your workflow. To create a new folder, here are the steps. Click on the three dots next to your email ID in the sidebar. Select Create New Folder. Enter a folder name, for example, To Respond, and click Save. Let's take a look at some emails in my inbox. First email. I have replied to it and now I'm waiting for a response. So I'll move it to the Waiting for Reply folder. Second email. I need to take action, but I need to gather some info first. I'll move it to the To Respond folder. If it's high priority, I'll also pin it for quick access. Done with an email and don't expect any follow-up, simply archive it. That way, you avoid rereading the same message again and again. And here's a bonus tip. If archived emails are older than 6 months, move them to the deleted items to help free up space in your Outlook account. If you prefer not to create multiple folders, you can tag emails with color categories instead. Here's how. Select the email. On the home ribbon, click Categorize under the Tag section. Pick a color category. Want to rename it? Right-click on the email, Categorize, Manage Categories. Click Edit next to the chosen color. Rename it. Click Save. This allows you to visually sort and find emails without moving them. Sometimes, even after replying, you need a follow-up later. Here's what you do. Flag the email, right-click on the flag, choose a reminder time for when you want a follow-up. It's a great way to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Now, let's make your inbox smarter with automation. Instead of manually sorting emails all the time, Outlook allows you to create rules that automatically move based on certain conditions. Here's an example. Let's say you're subscribed to a few newsletters or update emails. These might be useful but not urgent, and seeing them during work hours can be a distraction. You can set up a rule that automatically moves those emails to a folder called Read Later. To set up a rule in the Outlook web app, right-click on an email you want to base the rule on. Select Rules, Create Rule. In the pop-up, click on More Options. Give your rule a name, for example, Move Newsletters to Read Later. Under Add a Condition, choose From to filter by sender or use other conditions like I'm on the CC line or Subject includes specific words. Under Add an Action, select Move to or choose your Read Later folder. Check the box. Click Save. Once this rule is set, Outlook will take care of sorting those emails automatically, so you can focus on what truly matters in your inbox. And there you have it, a clean, organized inbox with less effort and more efficiency. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you won't miss future tips on organizing, automation, and digital productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.